Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Emark AI mouse. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. And let's begin. So before we open it, we can see on the outside of the box some specifications on our AI mouse, like it has smart writing, voice typing, voice translation and OCR screenshot. So let's see what's inside and open it up. We have a beautiful presentation with inside the box being a instruction manual on how to and what are the buttons and stuff like that and how to set it up. And we have our mouse packaged and everything, and a USB-C cable. So let's keep the box aside. So these are the things you get in the box. You get a USB-C to charge the mouse and also make it in a wired mouse, and a instructions manual. We don't need this instruction manual. Now, the mouse is a very sleek and lightweight design with an ergonomic shape and only weighing about 88 grams. Plus, you can see the buttons, which are also very silent, with being the OCR button on the top with the scissors being marked and the AI button, while on the side buttons they are the voice recognition and the translate button on this side. And now on the bottom, it's a very unusual and unique shape. You don't see this every day. And on the bottom you can see the on and off switch. You see it turns on. You can see the sensor and a mode switch. And we also have a wireless receiver on the bottom, where we can plug it into a PC and use it wirelessly. And that's overall it for the mouse itself. And there's also a USB port, so you can charge it and also use it as a wired mouse as well. So that's it on the mouse itself. Now let's talk about its software and its AI features. First, connect the wireless receiver from the mouse to the computer, so we can start the downloading process. And then hold down the voice button or the voice listener button for a little while. You need to hold for like a, and then it will open your browser to their official website. After you get the page, scroll to the very bottom, and then you have to download the Windows version of the program, which is their version of like AI. To is like basically like think of it as a Emark ChatGPT. Go ahead and download it. After it's downloaded, go ahead on the setup process and then start it. After you completed the setup process and have it on your desktop, you can open it. It's the Emark AI on the top. And when you open it, this is the main interface you can see. You can see a chat mode or a chat box where you can talk with the AI through the mouse. Actually, like you can actually speak it. Like it has an inbuilt mic where it can listen and like it can translate, and also uh, let's say if you want to search something, you can do by asking it. It's a virtual assistant, like. And you can see a bunch of tabs like AI, like you have the Emark AI itself. You can ask it to write AI writing. You can make artificial AI PowerPoint presentations, Excel's, images, and even use AI assistants like built in, all for free. And it also has settings where you can change, like you can check if it's up to date, the colors, the model number, how much batteries has, and also the DP, like the DPI, like how fast you want to go and stuff like that. Basically you can and also in the settings you can also change the input language from English to any other language that's already pre-installed in it. Plus this is still brand new, so updates are soon incoming, so there will be more languages in the future. And also the voice button, when it listens, it actually writes it in text in the chat box or something where you want to write it. So it makes easy work of anything, like anything that's writing based. So like it's very easy for students and teachers to write emails, text, and stuff like that. Plus it also has a very smart AI built into it. So let's say if we say in a specific language and we don't know how to translate it to a different language, we can also pick that too when we are pressing the translate button. There's so many features, and all of it is free. And you can explore, you can try all of them out. They're basically mini assistants on themselves, and the AI app you need to use or you get through the AI mouse itself. And there you go, guys, that's everything about this new Emark AI mouse. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. And as always, see you next time. Bye.